Hello, I am Teohan. In this video I'm going to share with you what is Vim and how to use it, and go over the very basics of it. I am on the vim.org, the official Vim webpage, so you can also go here right now. Vim is a super capable text editor that allows editing text very fast and makes the process fun. It is fun, at least for me. Not a lot of people are really fond of it. Some very notable features of Vim are skipping like a pro. You can skip words and lines, and multiple lines, and you can select and replace words and lines. And it's packed with many more cool features. You can check out this official website, and I'll also put the link in the description. So there's a funny meme down below. Vim, the power tool for everyone. So let's install the Vim. Go over there to the download section. Here you can see the instructions for different operating systems. Since I use Mac, I will install the terminal version. Let's open up the terminal. I will use this command, brew install Vim. Hit enter. I already installed it, but it says it is outdated. Let's upgrade. So it's upgraded the Vim. This one, of course, only works in the terminal, which is more than enough actually. Let's open it up. So here you can see the Vim, but I like Mac Vim more for its dedicated graphical user interface. So let's install Mac Vim. Let's go to this page. Here you can see the instruction to install the Mac Vim. So I will type brew install Mac Vim. It got an error on my machine, but I already got Mac Vim, so I will not bother with unlinking and relinking again. But you can go ahead and continue installing Mac Vim. So let's open up the Mac Vim. Let's explore Vim. First thing first, you should learn how to properly quit or exit the Vim. You can hit colon, Q and exclamation mark. What this does is, it closes the Vim without saving the file. Without the exclamation mark, it closes after saving it. And if you only want to save the file, you just hit colon and W and it saves your file. Let's close it without saving. So that's it. Let's open it up again. Another shocking truth about Vim is it has mods. What kind of a text editor does have mods? Well, Vim does, and it's pretty cool actually. When you first open up the Vim, it is in the default mode. Now it's in the default mode, which is the command mode. You can go from here to do all sorts of things. Hit I on the keyboard to open up the second mode, which is the insert mode. Let's write, hello, this is Vim. Now we can save and close it to demonstrate what we covered earlier. You can save it like here. It asked for a file name. Let's give it a file name. So now it saved our file as Vim example. Let's close it without saving because we already saved. So we can now open it up again by using vim command and its name. You can see we saved our file as vim example. Now let's open it up in MacVim. So here I opened it up again in MacVim. Now there are a couple of ways to open the insert node. Let's see them one by one. I come here, I hit Shift and A. Now it opened the insert mode at the end of the line. I pressed Escape to open the command mode again. I pressed Shift and I. Now it opened the insert mode at the beginning of the line. I hit Escape again. Also, if I press S, it will delete the first character of the first word and open up the insert mode. It deleted the H in hello and opened up the insert mode. Now I hit Escape and came back to the command mode again. I want to undo the deletion. I just simply press U on the keyboard. So yeah, this is how I can undo what I have just did. So what if I want to delete this line? I press D twice. I hit U again to undo. So how to copy paste a line? It is called yanking. I hit Y twice. It is now yanked. Come one line below and I hit P to paste. And now it pasted it. I can do it multiple times. In fact, I can do it, for example, 4 times. Hit 4, then hit P again. It will do it for 4 times. This is another great feature of Vim. You can make a command work as many times as you want. So let's delete these 6 additional lines by hitting 6 and D twice. So Vim has another great feature for skipping the words. Make sure you are in the command mode. I am. Hit W to go to the next word. Hit B to go to the previous word. If you can press 4 and hit W, it will skip 4 words. Now there is another mode which is called the visual mode. Press V in the command mode to open the visual mode. Now I'm in the visual mode. What I can do is I can select the words or lines in this mode and I can manipulate them as I like. I hit B, B, B and I want to cut this. This is Vim sentence. I opened up the insert mode, came a couple lines below, came back to the command mode, hit P to paste what I just got. So this is how visual mode works. Open up the visual mode again, hit B, 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 up, 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 B again, and let's delete this whole file. So that's it for today. I hope you like Vim as much as I do. Thanks.